3 steps to set up your home networks, for homes under 280 square meters. Almost every aspect of family life is connected through networks. A good network is not only a technology, but also a guarantee of life quality. However, are you still troubled by excessive devices, weak signals, and poor roaming experience in medium-sized homes? Now, with the standard domestic Wi-Fi plan, everything will be different. Standard domestic Wi-Fi plan is specially designed for medium-sized homes under 280 square meters. It provides superior network experience with strong signals, many concurrent clients, seamless roaming, and easy maintenance. With the following products, you can resolve the pain points of insufficient Wi-Fi coverage, excessive devices, and poor roaming experience, and enjoy high-speed Wi-Fi networks at every corner of your homes. Standard domestic Wi-Fi plan is easy to deploy, requiring the following steps. First, power on the switch and connect port 9 of the switch to the LAN port of the modem using an Ethernet cable. Then, install a ceiling-mounted AP as follows. Secure the mounting bracket to the ceiling or wall by using self-tapping screws. Connect an Ethernet cable to the PoE port on the rear of the AP. Slide the AP into the mounting bracket. Connect the other end of the Ethernet cable to the LAN port of the switch. Finally, install an outdoor AP. Connect one end of an Ethernet cable to the PoE port of the AP. Install the outdoor AP on the outer wall or pole. Connect the other end of the Ethernet cable to the LAN port of the switch. First, scan the QR code to download Ruijie Reyee app and finish the registration. Next, connect your mobile phone to the default SSID released by the primary router, which starts with @Ruijie. Finally, open Ruijie Reyee app, and create a network project according to the following steps. Tap Add a project, choose Yes, Wireless, and tap Start. After the device detection is complete on the app, tap Start Config. Follow the instructions on the page to configure the project. Configure the internet connection mode. Complete the Wi-Fi settings. After configuration is completed, you can connect to the Wi-Fi networks for internet access. After the deployment is completed, you can manage and monitor the home network on Ruijie Reyee app. You can also change the Wi-Fi passwords anytime and anywhere. For more functions, follow Ruijie technical support. Reyee standard domestic Wi-Fi plan brings high-speed network access to every corner of your homes. To follow this issue, comment on our video or send an email to us. See you in the next video.